Have you seen a side hustle that seems so unbelievable, like something you'd never expect to be a money-making opportunity? Well, stick around because I'm about to reveal the third method that might just surprise you. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button to be updated on more Pivot Online surprises. Online teaching and tutoring. Online teaching and tutoring have become popular through platforms like Varsity Tutors, Tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and more. These platforms serve as avenues to share expertise across diverse subjects or fields. Having accreditations like teaching English as a foreign language, or TEFL, can significantly bolster your opportunities within this space. The subjects available span a broad spectrum, encompassing mainstream academic topics such as mathematics and science, and extending to niche areas like digital photography and UI design. One of the advantageous aspects is the autonomy to set your rates, enabling potential earnings ranging between $20 to $100 per hour. Interestingly, the notion that being a beginner in a subject doesn't disqualify you from teaching is emphasized. In fact, teaching while still learning oneself can be advantageous. It enables a fresh perspective and a better understanding of the challenges beginners face, fostering a relatable and effective teaching approach. This approach can often resonate better with students who are just a few steps behind in their learning journey. Short-form content creation. Short-form content creation revolves around crafting engaging and concise content tailored for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and similar mediums. The emphasis here is on creating content that not only looks visually appealing but also performs exceptionally well within the platform's algorithms. Freelancers can leverage platforms like Fiverr or Freelancer to offer their expertise in generating high-quality short-form content. The key lies in understanding the nuances of these platforms, knowing what captivates the audience, and producing content that resonates with their preferences. The potential for earnings in this field ranges between $500 to $1,000 per month, depending on the caliber and volume of work. Quality and consistency play pivotal roles in determining the income, as clients often seek creators who can consistently deliver engaging and attention-grabbing content. Establishing a portfolio, showcasing your skills, and demonstrating your ability to create content that garners attention and engagement can significantly boost your earning potential. As businesses increasingly recognize the significance of short-form content in reaching their target audiences, there's a growing demand for skilled content creators in this niche, presenting ample opportunities for those adept at crafting captivating short-form content. Discord and forum moderation. That's right. You can earn not only from the comfort of your home, but also while socializing and browsing the internet. This involves active participation in online communities while providing moderation services that uphold community standards, foster engagement, and ensure a conducive environment. This includes enforcing community rules, preventing spam, and maintaining a healthy, interactive atmosphere within these platforms. Individuals offering moderation services typically earn an average pay rate ranging between $10 to $20 per hour, with potential variances based on the nature and demands of the community. Interestingly, certain specialized communities, particularly those in the cryptocurrency space, often offer higher compensation for moderators due to the intricacies and high activity levels within these forums. Moderators play a vital role in steering conversations, resolving conflicts, and creating a positive community experience. Their efforts contribute significantly to the overall health and functionality of these online spaces. Moreover, having strong communication skills, a firm understanding of community guidelines, and the ability to handle diverse interactions are essential traits for effective moderation. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Social media management. Social media management involves overseeing and optimizing social media profiles for businesses or individuals, encompassing various responsibilities from routine posting to devising content strategies that resonate with the target audience. The role of a social media manager extends beyond regular postings. It includes curating content, engaging with the audience, implementing advertising campaigns, analyzing metrics, and refining strategies to boost online presence and engagement. Businesses today recognize the pivotal role that social media plays in their branding and marketing efforts. Hence, proficient social media managers are in high demand. By leveraging their expertise in content creation, audience engagement, and strategic planning, social media managers not only aid businesses in enhancing their online presence, but also establish a lucrative avenue for themselves in the digital marketing landscape. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants entails delivering remote administrative support to clients, encompassing a wide array of tasks such as scheduling, email management, content creation, and social media management. Virtual assistants act as multifaceted professionals, aiding individuals or businesses in streamlining their operations without the necessity of physical presence. The compensation for virtual assistants typically ranges from $15 to $50 per hour, reflecting the diverse nature of tasks and the varying skill levels involved. One of the significant advantages is the potential to manage multiple clients simultaneously, which further enhances earning prospects. The flexibility and scalability of this role make it an appealing choice for those seeking remote work opportunities. Virtual assistants can tailor their services to suit the specific needs of each client, offering customized solutions that cater to diverse administrative requirements. Audio transcriber. Transcribing audio involves the conversion of spoken content into written text, serving diverse sectors such as businesses, researchers, journalists, and podcast creators. This crucial service aids in creating written records, facilitating research, generating captions for videos, and enhancing accessibility for diverse audiences. Platforms like Rev or Trint provide opportunities for transcribers to earn approximately $1 per audio minute. The earning potential depends on factors such as transcription accuracy, turnaround time, and the volume of work undertaken. Transcriptionists need to possess strong listening skills, typing proficiency, and an eye for detail to accurately transcribe audio content into coherent written text. While some transcribers manually transcribe audio, advancements in technology have introduced AI-driven tools that assist in transcribing, thereby increasing efficiency. This side hustle offers a flexible work structure, allowing individuals to work remotely at their own pace. It appeals to those with excellent listening abilities and typing speed, seeking opportunities to earn income by converting audio content into easily readable text for various purposes across different industries. Equipment rental. Equipment rental through platforms like Fat Llama or ShareGrid offers a lucrative side hustle by allowing individuals to capitalize on underutilized assets like cameras, tools, or vehicles. These platforms facilitate the renting of various items to individuals or businesses seeking temporary use without the need for purchasing. Starting with something as simple as renting out a camera, success stories abound of individuals transforming this initiative into a profitable venture. For instance, individuals have leveraged the sharing economy by listing their underused assets and gradually expanding their inventory, eventually generating substantial income streams. The potential earnings from equipment rentals can be substantial, with reports of some individuals making over $6,000 per month. The success largely hinges on the range of items available for rent, the frequency of rentals, and maintaining the items in good condition to attract repeat customers. This side hustle not only generates additional income but also contributes to sustainable consumption by allowing items to be utilized optimally. Leveraging the sharing economy through equipment rentals presents an attractive opportunity for individuals to monetize their unused assets and create a viable income stream. Parking space rental. Parking space rental, facilitated by platforms like Just Park or Spot Hero, presents an innovative side hustle where individuals can monetize their unused parking spots or driveways, particularly in high-demand urban areas. This method allows those with available parking spaces to capitalize on their underutilized assets by renting them out to individuals seeking convenient parking solutions. The potential for substantial earnings exists, especially during high-demand periods such as events or peak times when parking becomes a scarce commodity. By offering these spaces for rent, individuals can tap into this demand and generate additional income. Platforms catering to parking space rentals streamline the process, enabling individuals to list their available spots, set pricing, and manage bookings conveniently. This side hustle not only benefits those seeking parking solutions, but also presents a lucrative opportunity for space owners to earn extra income passively. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.